Good morning, everybody. I was going to take you to see the last day of the Chalk Festival today, but it looks like we're getting a ton of rain. So I guess we're going to have to go afterwards and see if the chalk's still all there. Good morning to you. Look, guys. Wild. Turned out to be a beautiful day afterwards, guys. I just saw some monk parrots. I hope I got them on film because I didn't have my glasses on. Or my contacts in, so we will see. So I'm going down to the Chalk Festival right now. Last day, so I'm glad it stopped raining. I hope it didn't wash all the chalk away. So hope you're having a great day. We'll see you in a bit. Well, we made it down again, guys. Looks like we got some new stuff, and it looks like the rain didn't take it out, so I'm kind of surprised but happy. I don't know, it looks like maybe the rain faded some of these. I don't know. Here's another one, guys. How bright this one was, guys. It looks like the rain really took a lot of the colors out of it. Just not the same. Here's another one, guys. Looks like this one was almost finished today, doesn't it? Wow, look at that. That one's gorgeous, guys. The detail. Really cool. Yeah, I think these definitely got washed out from the rain, a lot of them. The last one looked great. These really look washed out. It's kind of sad. I wish I could have gotten down here earlier, guys, but it was pouring, so I don't know if it would have been working.
Press the no, walk on it. Over here.
Kids are walking all over the chalk paintings. Don't you love it? Look at the big elephant. Look, this was this, and you can see everything's soaking wet. Wow. This is what's left, guys. Oh well. Let's see what else we got. Look at all of this. But yeah, I think a lot of them really got faded out by the rain today. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't want to do it yesterday because I wanted to go when they were all done. And here's another one. Can't believe how that one got so faded out. Let's walk over here, guys. Get you a view of this one. That one didn't fade. Here's a couple more. Jumbo. Wow, look at this, guys. So pretty. Let's see what else. Now this is the one that we saw last week, or a couple days ago, but look, it's really lost a lot of color. Really kind of shocked how much color it lost. Oh well. This one great. Really turned out well. Look at some of the detail. Look at that.
When I was here before, I don't know if it's still on a wax. Still on the tape there.
Trying to get you more detail, guys. Wow. Really turned out well, didn't it? Very nice. Here's another one, guys. Looks like this one really faded too, I'm afraid. This one's beautiful, isn't it, guys? It won't even fit into frame, it's so big. Very cool. Very, very cool.
Well, he's taller. He could probably get it in if he
I got a son now at home who's 6'8", so what I would do without him, I'll never know. He's my arm. One like how much they've done every day, and I can't believe how much washed out.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, guys, this is what we got left. yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's keep walking. But this one was really nice before the rain. Oh, how cool, how cool. Oh, what'd I say? No cool. What do? I say cool again. So I'm just going to keep you with me and keep walking and look at them. Oh, a doggy. That's kind of cool. I did it again. Guys, I got to break this habit of saying cool. Well, everybody, that's the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to go up here. Somebody said they're doing some vertical work, so let me go take a look at that. See what we can find. Yeah, it's sad it's all over. It was so much fun going to. Check this out. They're putting that up right now with aerosol spray paint. Kind of cool. Very cool. I had noticed this earlier. I said cool 2 times last time. I think I'm gonna have to start charging myself $1 every time I say it, guys. And maybe then I'll stop. So my apologies for repeating my word constantly. Well, that's it, guys. We're done with our tour. Now that's really cool. I don't know if you guys saw a close-up of this. Did you? It goes with that one piece of artwork. Very cool. Very neat. I did it again, guys. I guess I just got to get over it. Look, this guy's working on this wall right now. So he's going to put all those, I guess the purple means he's getting ready to paint some more stuff. That's interesting. So we can watch this guy working right now. That's so interesting. We'll have to come back and see what he eventually did, since we don't know. Be interesting to see. I don't know if I got this one or not for you guys. I just took some pictures of it. Kind of get it all in without all the, what do you call it? The sun is on the wrong side, so it's hard to get it. It's pretty cool. I like the monkey there. You cool? I did it again, guys. Gotta learn to quit saying that. Okay, we're gonna bid the 2012 Sarasota Chalk Festival adieu. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. And make sure you subscribe so you can join us for our next adventure. Look at these pretty cakes. Aren't they gorgeous? Getting a lot of glare. Look at that one. I want that one. I want them all. Wow, this one's really pretty, isn't it? It's almost like too pretty to eat. Could not have no cakes, but they're pretty. We don't live right with fish. The tang got stuck in the rocks. So we got to take the whole thing apart. Can you believe that? Look at that. He's stuck in the stupid rock. Yay! Oh God, is he hurt?
Yeah.
No, he's not. He's just scared.
It's all whining shit.
Because he's scared. It'll come back. He saved you. He saved you. How did you get stuck?
You're gonna laugh. I'm probably gonna leave this rock away today so he doesn't get stuck. I'm gonna put that one.
Thank you so much, Storm. You're free! Oh, don't die now. We worked so hard to free you.
I'm gonna die if he dies.
I will do. I don't want him to die. Be strong, Mr. Piranha Tang. We love you. Hope everybody had a great Tuesday. Getting a little bit of a sunset tonight, but no clouds, so it won't be the best. But I wanted to come out and get it for you. And we will be back at you later. Hey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, and friend us on Facebook. You'll find the links on our YouTube page. And we hope you had a wonderful Tuesday, and we will see you tomorrow. Peace out.